evening, everybody. This is our fourth lotto draw. So still, there's nobody win on the last three draw. So I will draw it now. Our first number is our first number is number 6. First number is number 6. Second number is 11. First number is 11. And the third number is 19.
19 na naman.
Yeah. So the lucky number combination is 6, 11, and 19. If you have that number, congratulations. Thank you.